Bowling, you stay here. You stay here, you can stay here.
Bowling. Oh, fine. You have to do for fun. That's it. I got it toy.
Sige, pakit mo. Good morning mga kachika. Nilamos na ako, mag-skincare na lang ako. Ang ganda nito ba, oh? Mumurahin lang to. Actually, kay Mr. Toy. Pinabili to niya sa akin. Matagal na to pinabili sa akin. Last year. Early, basta, matagal na. Pero hindi niya anong ginagamit. Ako lang gumagamit. Tuloy ngayon, kasi naubusan ako ng kaya ngayon, halos kalahati na siya. And brand lang siya. Superdrug na brand na vitamin A. Moisturizer cream. Ganda. Ang ganda ng sabon na to. Siyempre hindi ito sponsored ba, pero marami na akong nakikita na napapanood. Alam ko malakas din to sa Pinas, maraming gumagamit nito. Ang ganda sa mukha. Ito lang sabon. Ganito. Actually nakapangalawa na ako. Tapos kasi more on hilamos lang naman ako, pero pag once naliligo ako, ginagamit ko din siya sa balat ko. Wag nyo lang mag-ingat lang kayo pag sa pukang nyo mga kachika, mahapdi. Na-try ko once, nakalimutan ko na, pala ako nito, sus nasagi ko, nahapdi mga kachika. Kaya mag-ingat kayo pag gumamit kayo nito sa buong katawan nyo, kay mahapdi. Matagal pa naman nawala yung hapdi. Kaya, ayan. Tsaka 5 piraso na yung laman nito. Dito ko lang siya nabili sa UK, pero as in, ang ganda-ganda. Mapansin nyo na yung mga pimple mark, naglighten siya. Tapos hindi na din ako, kahit may period ako, hindi na ako yung tipo na tinutubuan ako ng malalaking pimple ba, ganun. Mas mura kasi sa Pinas. Tapos, na siya, marami na ba siya? Kahit sabon mo sa buong katawan mo. So, syempre sa akin, kahit naliligo ako, yan yung ginagamit ko. Matagal pa din maubos kasi hindi naman ako araw-araw naliligo. Although, sa hilamos, morning at saka gabi. Ganun yung gamit ko. Ganda. Try nyo yan. Napaka-fresh, lalo na pagkatapos ko tapos ka hilamos. Tapos i-moisturize mo lang yung mukha mo. Although akin hindi siya mamalat kasi, di ko alam. Kasi marami akong napapanood na mamalat yung mukha nila na gumamit sila niyan. Pero sa akin, hindi talaga siya namalat. Pero nakita ko lang yung improvement ba ng mukha ko. Yes. Boots brand din na vitamin C. Actually, paubos na siya. Maganda din. Naghiyang ako sa mga ito. Kaya, pag paubos na, bibili na lang ulit ako ng gano'n na lang. Kasi naghiyang nga ako. Pero kahit anong vitamin C naman, yata. Depende din kasi yan sa mukha natin, di ba? Pahiyang-hiyangan ko ano yung hiyang ng mukha natin. Yun din yung natin gawin. Kung hindi hiyang, di wag ipilit kasi nasisira yung mukha nyo. Ito naman yung vitamin C din na day cream. Boots brand lang din. Di talaga siya mga branded. Yung mamahalin ba ng mga brand. Pero hiyang ako eh. Dalawag tulog pa pala. Alisa, si Mr. Tulog. Ang sarap na tulog niya, Alisa. Hindi nga siya lumipat doon sa bed namin. Samantala, lumilipat yan siya pag madaling araw. Hindi lumipat. Sobrang pagod. Sarap na ng tulog. Humihilik pa. Diba?
This coming, I'll be alone then. And Lisa.
Lisa.
Oh yeah, Sammy and Myra and Zara want to play with Elisa. Zara and Sammy don't mind, she can play with Lisa.
Stand up daw.
If Grace is here, Lisa can play Sammy. I'll ask Lisa to go to play, okay? Yeah, she liked it. My hair's straight today.
No, you're gonna straighten it. It's
Or braid at the top.
Wait, I just like the braid.
Oh, that's all stay. You know, some of us in year 5, we used to be friends when I was in SEALs.
Eh?
Yeah, we were starting to be friends when
Bago lang nagising si Madam, oh. Sarap-sarap na paupo-upo ni Madam. Ah, Madam, oy. Sarap tulog, Madam. No.
Here you go.
You got one? Okay, can make. Dabi, si Dabi.
I would just say that was so I could do that.
Yeah, same. Hey, your hair is too short.
We did that before. I wanted that was so I could do that, Mama.
Same one.
I'll just do one braid.
Yeah, see that, see
Just
that.
one braid. Just one braid.
No. Pupunta kami ng birthday party. Yung birthday party ay
Sarah.
11 o'clock. Tapos ano na 11:10. So medyo late na kami. Okay lang naman yan. Hindi naman kailangan on time darating doon. Birthday party ng kapatid ng classmate ni Alina. Yung ano ba yung Pakistani mga kachika? Ha?
Not my classmates, ours.
Yeah. Sister of your classmate.
Why?
Here too young.
Upstairs,
Later. Dito na. Ano si Mr.?
Oh, yeah, let's see.
11 o'clock to 1. 2 hours yung party. So mga 11:30 na kami makarating nito doon. Plus, yeah, meron pa silang mga 1.5 hour at least.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
thank you.
Daddy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. You want to say that one together? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
Kalimutan ko pala itaod yung ano.
birthday,
O, ayusin yung laces ko kaya na magdali na pupunta dito sa sakyan. Mikey, Daddy.
Can you,
Mikey, please.
yeah. He's a pedestrian, I think. Handsome. Yeah?
Maybe something like that.
This one here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, which one is it?
Just go in the car park there.
Which one?
This one.
This one here?
This one here. We still got even anong tawag dyan? So, nagtatanggal na yung mga ayan nila kay naiinitan sa kakalaro. Later na. Later.
I wanna go and play again.
Okay, you go play again. She wanna play again. Hotel ba na to dito mga kachika? Tapos yun, may ganito sila, may arcade, mga ano-ano ba? Panuan ng mga bata. Tapos yung opposite nito ng building na ito, doon trabaho ko na. Okay, magkapag-video na tayo mga kachika kay lumipat na yung ibang mga bata doon sa bowling. Tapos na din sila kumain, nagsakanta na ng happy birthday. Kain-kain na sila. You don't want to go on the bowling? Bowling? You stay here. You stay here. You can stay here. Where are you? I can't. Tinatawag niya sa Alina kaya kinukuha ni Alina yung slush nila. Ito yung drink nila, slush. Lamig-lamig naman, nag-slush pa.
Okay.
Ngayon lang ako nakapasok ng toilet nila dito. Nakapunta na din kasi may dito last time. Last year, may yata yun birthday din ng classmate ni Aline. Yeah, last year nga. Mag-isang taon na din pala. Ito pala yung toilet nila. Surprise ako, malinis naman. Kasi hotel nga ito mga kachika. Lumang hotel na ba? Paano ba ito? Hindi ba ito inayos pagsara? Isara natin. Hindi mo magsara. Good. Sabi yung suklay? May suklay ako kanina. Hindi ko na... Saan ba yung suklay? Akala ko may suklay akong dala. Saan na kaya? Yeah, but we don't have cash. We have no coins. Yeah, we come back here again.
But I'm gonna go there for my birthday.
You wanna go there for your birthday? Okay. We go there.
No holiday. And we went to a little house. And a holiday.
Dito kami dumaan sa hotel mga kachika sa loob ba? Ala. Ano ba to? Ala ka, hindi na natin alam kung saan na kami nito. Oh, hindi na. Tara, let's go. Go down na lang. Ikot-ikot lang naman kami. Dali, be. This way. Diyan lang naman yung... Hindi pala nakikita yung work ko. Tara, be. Go down this way.
Party.
You like the party? Did you say thank you?
Yeah. I will really I'm playing with Lucy and Myra tomorrow.
Tara.
Whistle!
A whistle. There you go, a whistle.
I got pink one. Look! A look, guys! A whistle!
A whistle. Ay, sana parating na yung bus or hindi pa namin na-miss. Kasi every 1 hour pa naman yung pagitan ng bus today dahil ano ngayon, Sunday. Ha? Mali, di. Yan na yung work ko, yung ano, yung green na hotel mga chika. Green na hotel, green na building pala. Oh my goodness. Be careful, you're gonna fly. It's very big. You've got rosy cheeks.
I know.
And it's very cold.
Blue.
One eternity later.
Alas 6 na ng gabi mga kachika. Pasensya na ngayon na ako naka-update ulit kay nalubat yung cellphone ko, na busy ako, naglinis ako ng bahay, kaya hindi pa ako nakapaglinis, umalis kami kayo na. Nagtula pala ako ng salmon at saka sea bream pang dinner ko, ito para sa mga bata. Actually, kakain din ako yata ngayon. Kasi nagugutom ako, wala pa akong lunch. Ayan. And some orange juice.
More orange. Oh, more orange.
Okay.
That's more orange. Then more orange, more orange, more orange, and more orange. There's more. Oh, and salmon soup. That's really happening. Can I do the orange juice together?
Yeah, you can do it together.
Okay, let's get the scissors out. It's like, be careful. Done. Thank you. Orange juice. One orange.
We're cutting here first, because I'm gonna wash it.
Oh, can I wash it?
Hmm.
Lisa, can put it here. Put it here. Put it here. Yeah, put it there. Put it here. Oh. Put it up. 2, 4. Come on. Orange could have said. I don't know. One of one. There's no. Okay. Okay. But we need all of this. But we need all of this. This one. Oh, do we need all of this?
No, we don't need all that.
Not all baby orange.
No, only 4.
We need to put all of that.
Okay, you wash them. Where's the one you opened, sir?
Hey, Daddy.
That is there? Happy Meal again. What's that?
Oh, wild animal in
It's
there.
like you're winning lotto.
Happy Meal!
Oi, you're gonna have your dinner.
Does it
Hey,
like the
go,
dinner
that's your
sauce, right?
cheeseburger, Mama.
Huh? Not
Go
yet.
have your cheeseburger.
Okay, thank
The
you.
cheeseburger for
Oh, you
you.
got it now. I see. Oh, a bit late, isn't it?
Fries. I'll have it now.
Oh, okay. You're not supposed to have that now tonight because they have already fries in the
I know.
party.
It's all right. You want any salmon again?
Salmon soup. Salmon last night fried rice because I don't know what else you can give. So I want to give them something good, not fried. Because
Yay! Chicken nugget.
they have fried today in the party. So I don't want to give more fried.
Oh, fries. You have the different fries. That's it. Oh, I got a toy.
Sige, pakit mo.
I got that toy already.
Hmm?
That toy over there.
Oh,
Yeah. We had some on last
Solid
night, I
flat
thought.
hedgehog.
Huh?
Yeah, but it was in soup. I want something, give them soup tonight. I give chicken tomorrow.
You got-
I